Hello and welcome to another fun-filled week in Louisiana. We have left Florida way behind, and we've been traveling through the swamplands of the South last week, which I suggest you go back and watch because that was a heck of an adventure. This week we are starting out on Rutherford Beach in Louisiana, which happens to be one of my favorite places to park this big yellow house of ours. There's a public beach here that is backed by an animal sanctuary or preserve. So there's marshlands and endless amounts of fishing that one can do out here. And if you can't tell, there's no hotels, there's no restaurants. There's one little general store about 6 miles away that has, the things you need. Y'all hang on. We're gonna see more of Louisiana this week, not just this beach. This week's gonna be fun. I promise.
Oh, guys, it is absolutely gorgeous out here. Of all of the places to park that little yellow house of ours, I think that the beach might just be my favorite, or at least one of my favorites. This week, we are hanging out in Louisiana and are super pumped. If you guys have been following us for a while, you know that cousin is pretty much my favorite word in the dictionary. And we're starting off this week with one of them here hanging out with us. We're actually going to see a whole lot of family this week. But for now, we're just chilling. How's it going, guys?
It's going bien.
The storms are steering clear of us, but now that low tide has happened, one, we've been able to find a lot of really big shells, but two, it's starting to open up tidal pools, and in these tidal pools there's hermit crabs everywhere. So all these shells we're picking up, like that one right there, actually has crabs in it over here, and they live in this area during low tide. You can see them walking. I've never actually gotten to see a tidal pool before. They don't really appear too much in the South. The Northwest has some crazy ones that I hope to see. Ooh, there's another one. Boy, that makes you feel bad for all those little plastic boxes with hermit crabs you've got at the beach in the past. They live a much better life out here.
Guys, check out this awesome rainbow. And it looks like it's eating that building over there. Does that mean there's lots of gold inside? Hopefully it means all of the rain's done. We got caught in it pretty bad yesterday on our way back from getting those shells. I like your short shorts. All right, guys, he's really acting like he's got something this time.
Be a shark. Be a shark. Be a shark.
Okay.
Come on, Shane, reel it in.
Shane, what is happening over here, babe?
Well, I caught catfish again, but I have a strong suspicion that a shark tried to.
He ate our dinner.
That was a fourth of a catfish. You're being generous.
I'm gonna try to catch another shark. I'm just throwing
Yeah, just keep it on there.
And they clearly liked it.
Out, Kelsey. My new friend Chris gave me a cast net because I didn't have one in the LoveHut, and he told me that you can catch shrimp off of the shore. He's not very big. I'm not going to eat him, but I did want to show y'all.
Oh my goodness.
I've never caught a shrimp out of the ocean before.
And we were just talking about shrimp boils.
Put him in the cooler, Shane. Maybe we'll catch more.
No, I'm going to put him on my hook.
Still working on dinner, y'all. Oh, guys. I don't think I could ever grow tired of this. Check it out. We got the whole place to ourselves this morning. And that sunrise is absolutely beautiful. All right, guys. I know I said that I would never get tired of parking on the beach. And real talk, I don't know that I'm necessarily tired of it, but we are all very sunburned. And I think a parking spot with some shade might be necessary today. So we're all packed up, ready to leave no trace and go find some alligators.
Sounds like a plan and some shade.
The shade is necessary.
Very much pain.
It's still so pretty out here though. Well, this is a first, y'all. We've discussed putting this thing on a boat, but this isn't what we meant.
$1.
You're gonna pull in nose north next to that white truck.
Yep.
Facing that way.
Okay.
Oh, this is awesome. And look, we're gonna get a view for the ride too.
Oh, this is awesome. Sorry, y'all. I was very focused on trying to pull our house onto a boat. This is a ferry crossing the Calcasieu River that drains out into the ocean, and this area is in Campground, Louisiana, which is where Rutherford Beach is. This is also the home to a lot of shrimp boats, as you saw last night when I caught my one shrimp. Last time we tried to come here, it was closed. It was out of service. And all we're doing is just crossing the river. It takes just a minute, but to not do this is almost 2 hours for us to go all the way around Lake Charles. So I'm very excited to be doing this today. Kelsey, are you?
I am. This is fun.
We're going backwards. Oh my God. Whee!
Taylor's on the boat too, but they put her on the other side. We can't see her. Oh, this is fun. So much better than that drive.
100%. And it only costs $1.
What was the name of this river again, Shane?
Calcasieu? I can't say with the French accent that it requires. Ooh, look, dolphins.
Awesome.
It was.
So there's dolphins. Stop. They're so precious. Look at them. Just being little guys.
Well, guys, we found some shade trees, but not necessarily over our parking spots. That's okay, though. There's lots of water to play in and cool off, and we have found ourselves in a campground for a few reasons, mainly because we plan on getting our boats out and exploring some of this. And also for the shower house, y'all. We are all very much ready to wash the sun off of ourselves. Pretty, huh? Now, I will say that those showers are very nice and felt wonderful. Hot water didn't work, but that's okay because we're sunburned. But this water pump is really, really loud. There's no way I could handle this place for more than a night. It'll do for today, though. 'Cause that water's calling to me, y'all.
You know, y'all, I was really excited about sleeping in a swamp, but the town of Stark, Louisiana provides you with this beautiful campground and then goes ahead and installs as many lights as they possibly can. And the world's loudest well pump right next to the campground. I hope that paddle tomorrow is worth it.
Guys, I'm already starting to see some gators and some other movement. I hope that's not a gator that close. In these waters this morning, I got up at sunrise and started doing my best to unload and blow up our boat. Shane and Taylor are moving a little bit slower this morning, but no worries. We're gonna get out there. Yeah, gator, 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 gator.
Good morning. We have got all of our boats inflated, and we're going to be testing Taylor's new inflatable kayak and gator infested water. I figure that's the safest place to give it its first maiden voyage, right? Are y'all ready? Let us paddle.
Yeah, gator, 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 gator.
But look.
You guys seeing any yet?
No.
No, not yet.
I got a feeling they can see us.
If not, they can hear us.
Definitely. And we recently learned they like guitars, so.
True.
You'll see it. If it changes, you'll know.
Point to it again, Ty.
It's that deal behind us. It was moving it right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep.
He's moving the water.
He's a big boy. Oh.
He's little. He's little bitty.
Yeah, I guess he was just swimming on top of the water. Where there's babies, there's moms. I thought we were looking for the big ones, Tay.
I mean, we are.
We can get any deeper back there, though. The knees are too high. That was worth 20 bucks. I love Louisiana.
There it is, y'all. I pledge allegiance to the Texas. It is always good to be home.
Does this mean we can start heading north yet, Kelsey? It's hot as hell down here. Good Lord.
Yeah, it's okay to head a little bit north.
Okay, let's go a little north.
We left Taylor behind at the casino and are headed pretty much the same direction, but we will see her in a few days along with a whole lot more of our family. Tonight, though, we're on our way to see a very special friend.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at them. There they are. Look at that. Love Hut. Look at them. Get her! Yay!
You did! You look so smart. Oh, I see you got your Pecos diamond on too. And I like it.
Hey Shane.
So good. You're 6 now, no way.
Get over here.
My God, hi you guys. Hello. Y'all, we are on the road again. We woke up this morning and said goodbye to our friends in Henderson, and now it is time for a little bit more family time. I am so excited to see my grandmother. It has been a little over a year and a half, which might just be the longest I've ever gone without seeing her. It's definitely time. Get ready, Jean, here we come. Oh, guys, it is so good to be home. We've been hanging out with my grandmother all day, and I forgot to tell you guys about a very, very sweet couple who gifted us a Sugartown watermelon. Now, for those of you who don't know, Sugartown, Texas is known for their watermelon festivals, and apparently this watermelon won the contest. We were gifted it yesterday and made my grandmother oh so very happy today by sharing it with her. Right now, we are traveling through Marshall incognito in her car as we go
to get barbecue. The only reason one eats in Texas, it's got to be barbecue.
True that. Barbecue and Mexican food. That's about all there is, y'all.
It's Tex-Mex in Texas, Kelsey.
And our barbecue is beef, and I am so excited about it. Bodacious. Get ready for us.
Car life. Look, there's a menu too. We never get to go to the drive-thru. Well, y'all, we left Florida because we were scared of the tropical storms and hurricanes that blow through this time of year, and we've made our way to North Texas to see Kelsey's family, particularly her grandmother. And I would just like to remind y'all what it means to be in Texas this time of year. Today's heat advisory is for 109. So unfortunately, we are left with spending as much time as we possibly can inside the air-conditioned house, because inside the Love Hut is quite painful when it's that hot outside, and honestly dangerous. I am grateful for the air conditioning in Texas today.
You know, guys, the last couple of days haven't really been much record, but I gotta say, I am absolutely filled with gratitude for all of this awesome time that I'm getting to spend with my grandmother and my Uncle Boyd. I think he is in there cooking breakfast right now, and we're gonna hang out for a little while today and then hit the road towards our next adventure. Y'all hang on. It's gonna be fun. Y'all know it. If you guys have been following us a while, you will definitely recognize that view. It'll be our morning view in the morning. Shane's already saying hello to the cows. Hey, George! Come here, George! Oh, guys, it has been so much fun catching up with all of our friends and loved ones in East Texas, and we're going to see a few more of them over the next few days, and then we've got a lot of adventures planned. We want to take the time to say thank you to each and every one of you who have been following us along for all of this time and throughout this video. Be sure and hit those thumbs up and subscribe buttons and comment below so that we know to be grateful for you.
If you would like a different point of view into our love, maybe some still shots or footage that Kelsey just cuts right out of these YouTube videos, you can check out our Facebook and Instagram. Those are great ways to get a hold of us as well, because you can direct message on those platforms, or you can send us an email at LoveHut4Life@gmail.com.
Peace out, guys. We'll see you next week. Have a good one.
Bye, y'all.